Hello, welcome back guys. In this video we are going to solve this question 57 and 58. It says use the figure pyramid below to answer questions 57 and 58. It shows the number of students who like playing basketball in a school by age. Question 57 says which of the following statements is true? To understand this, we have to refer this graph and find out that among these four choices, one option is true and rest three are false. So we have to find the choice which is true. Now the first choice reads overall sex ratio is 1. To find this, what we have to do is that we have to find total number of male divided by total number of female. We have to find it. Okay, so here total number of male, I mean that I will sum up all the male students which are aged 16 to 24. Similarly applies to female. I will add up all the female students which is in the age range of 16 and 24. To do that, I will say male is capital M and female is capital F. Okay, so I have male plus female like this. Now I have male divided by female. I can just add up all these values. Okay, male first, I will say 1 plus 27 plus 72 plus 107 plus 54 plus 44 plus 17 plus 3 plus 3, this one, divided by here 2 plus 39 plus 116 plus 128 plus 60 plus 44 plus 12 plus 8 plus 1. So if my answer is 1, this should always be equals to 1, which means this numerator and denominator should be equal. Okay, now let's compute this. Okay, first we have to find the male. Okay, we have 1 plus 27 plus 72 plus 107 plus 54 plus 44 plus 17 plus 3 plus 3. We get 328 divided by, now let's get the female. Female is 2 plus 39 plus 116 plus 128 plus 60 plus 44 plus 12 plus 8 plus 1, which is 410. If you divide this, we have to get exactly 1 if our choice A is correct. So we can say 328 divided by 410, which obviously will be less than 1, 0.8, which means this statement is false. Now section B question says there are more male students who like playing basketball. Can you see this? Here the total number of male is 328 for all the age groups. Okay, but for the female students we have 410, which means that according to our data we have more female students than we have male, which means here our sentence is just opposite. So this is incorrect. And we say senior students like playing basketball more than junior students. If you see this very carefully, here above age 20, you can see that our pyramid is getting smaller and smaller, which means the number of senior students who like to play basketball is dropping. Okay, so by using this trend, we know that this our option C is also incorrect. And number 4, number of male and female students who like playing basketball is same for 21 years old. So if you see this very carefully, the answer is obvious. If you see this 21 age here, we have male students, okay, 44, and we have the female students which is 44. So we can see that the both male and female students are equal for 21 age. So our option D is correct. So our answer is option D. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Now let's solve the question number 58. It says there are 300 students in a school who are 19 years old. How many female students do not like playing basketball if the overall sex ratio is 1 for 19 years old? Now we know that total male and female for 19 years old, okay, is 300. And the condition given is that male by female or female by male equals to 1 by 1 or 1 is to 1, okay, which means that it implies that number of male students in the school which are 19 years old equals to female students which are 19 years old, which means number of female students and number of male students who are 19 years old should be equal, and this sum should be equal to 300 students. So it will only happen if the male students number is 150 and female is also 150. So if you divide 150 by 150, you will get 1, and if you add 150 and 150, it will get 300. So this is the only way to fulfill this condition. Now we have 150 female in total, and from this above graph we know that for age 19, 128 from 150 students, female students, like playing basketball, which means the female students who do not like playing basketball is just the difference of it, okay? So we can just simply do 150 minus 128, which will be, let me pull up the calculator, 150 minus 128, which will be 22 students, 22 female students. So our answer is option number A. So this is our correct answer. Thank you for watching. I'll solve this question number 59 and 60 in the next video. So keep watching. Bye.